Okay, we're going to learn how to make a sphere out of paper strips. So if you have a regular size sheet of paper, notebook paper, copy paper, you're going to fold it in half vertically and then fold it in half vertically again so that you have a long, skinny division across there, and open it up to just a single fold, and then you're going to cut off along that fold line that's down the middle. These two pieces you'll need later, but right now you only need half of that sheet vertically. When you fold it in half one more time, then that creates another line for you to cut along. And when we're done, we'll end up with 4 paper strips that are about 1 inch wide and about 12 inches long. So unfold one more time and cut along that fold. And you see you're going to have 4 strips, all the same size and length. Okay, you're going to pile these together, line them up evenly, and then you want to match the ends, and once they're matched, then crease that other end so that you are finding where the middle is. Now that you know where the middle is, it's right there where those folds are. And we're going to put glue right on that fold and then make the other strip go perpendicular. That means exactly the opposite direction. It should look like a plus sign. Put glue on the next fold and then overlap the fold so you have 2 plus signs. They need to have right angles. Then one of them is going to turn, but you don't want your spacing to be unequal. You want it to look like equal spaces, like you're cutting a pizza and everyone wants the same size piece of pizza. So you glue that all together, and right now it looks like tires or wheel spokes on a bicycle. Now you're going to take one strip all the way across, put some glue on top, and overlap it to create a ring. And now you're going to pull each of these up going the same direction that the strip is going. So if it's going diagonal, you want it to come in diagonal. If it's going vertical, you want it to come in vertical. This one is diagonal, so I want to keep it diagonal. I'm going to hold this for a little bit to let it set, about 10 to 20 seconds, and then I carefully put my fingers through, and I do this on the other side. I will tell you, glue stick is not the best to do this. I would probably recommend using white glue, such as Elmer's or some other liquid white glue. And that is how you make the sphere.